Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Katie, and today I have a really fun video for you. I am going to be unboxing my very first FabFitFun box, so let's just get into it. If you didn't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. It is $50 and you get one for like each season. So this one is the spring box and it looks like this. Super cute and it's pretty heavy. I'm super excited to open it. The reason I decided to get it this month is because there's actually a couple items that I knew were in the box that I could pick that I thought I'd get a lot of use out of or needed for some reason. So FabFitFun lets you customize your box so you can pick out certain items. And then I think other items are just a surprise. So let's open up my first box. It's such a huge box. Okay, the first thing, I'll show you what it looks like when you open it. It looks like this. And the first thing you get is a little like magazine. And I'm not gonna look at it right now because I think it tells you some of the items in the box and how you can use them. So there's that. There's also a New Year Fresh You coupon. $25 off your first 2 deliveries plus free shipping. It looks like this. And there is the code. You can screenshot it if you want to use it. So that looks like a food subscription box. And then it's wrapped in really nice tissue paper with a sticker. And I'm just gonna open this up. Okay, lots of goodies inside. The first thing I see is this Korres Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. It looks like this. It looks like a full-size product. It looks really nice, and I could always use a nice like night moisturizer, and Korres is a really nice brand, so that's a really nice item to get. Looks like this. Comes in this really nice glass bottle, and vitamin C is a really good like ingredient for your skin. Looks like this. Let's see if it smells like roses. Yeah, it does smell like roses. It smells really good, actually. I'm excited to use this. So there's that one. Really excited about that. I also have this Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Depuffing Gel. So it looks like an eye cream. Again, another really good brand. And can never have too much eye cream. Comes in this type of package. Wonder how it comes out. Oh yeah, this is really nice. We'll definitely get use out of this as well. And the good thing about this box is it like comes with stuff that you like need and go through. So it really does save you some money. Like I got this box for $40 because I used a coupon code, so it's such a good value. This is a mandarin orange and bergamot body lotion. That looks really nice. I did need a new body lotion as well. I can kind of smell it through the package already. It smells very good. It definitely smells like mandarin orange. I don't really know what bergamot smells like, but it smells really good. So I think this smells really nice for this time of year too, so I really like that. The next thing I'm seeing here is from Ciate London. It's an extraordinary translucent powder. This is exciting. I didn't know this was in the box. I kind of remember picking the Korres night cream and the lotion. I don't really remember picking the eye cream, but definitely like that I got that. Ooh. Yeah, so it looks like this is just a translucent powder from Ciate. Again, a really nice brand. I don't have very many powder right now, so this will definitely come in handy. And I love the packaging. I think even when this is done, I would use the packaging for something else. It's so pretty. And it has a sifter, which is really good, so it's not that messy. But again, really good product. I'm so happy with this box so far. I'm glad I tried it. The next thing here looks like, ooh, a daily detox massaging brush. So it's like a dry brush for your skin, which I could definitely use now that I live in New Mexico. Everything is so dry. I don't think I can open it right now, but it looks really nice. So there's that. Again, something I didn't know was in there and probably wouldn't have got for myself, but I'm definitely excited to use this. The next thing here is, ooh, a leave-in conditioner. This is from the brand Ouai Hair Care. And again, I can always use a leave-in conditioner. And I've wanted to try this brand before. It looks like this. So yeah, this will be really good. I like leave-in conditioners that are like the spray kind of bottle. So that's really nice. The next thing I see is wrapped up here. And it looks like a champagne charcoal scrub. Again, something that I can definitely use here in this dry weather. Again, the packaging is really nice. And it's a really big size. So I will definitely get use out of this. I love having a scrub now. So the one I'm using right now is gotten a pretty good use out of. I don't know if this will, well, maybe it smells like champagne. I don't know. But I like charcoal as an ingredient too, so this is another good find. And then it looks like I have one more thing left in here. Just set this down. And this was the thing that I was really excited about to get in the box. I picked this item out. And it is wrapped up really nice. It is this little canvas, like mini backpack. It's really cute. It's like a perfect size. And I was wanting a mini backpack because I'm planning a trip to California and we're gonna go to Disneyland one day. So this will be a really nice like sized bag to take, and it's light because it's canvas. And this would also be like a good size bag to carry on the plane. So it's really cute. It's just simple, and then it has this like black faux leather details, and it snaps closed. I wonder what, oh, you can make it like a little bit smaller by snapping these two sides, I guess. Yeah. To hold your things in better maybe if you don't have that much stuff. It's really cute. The only thing I'm noticing is that on the front